Hello everyone, this is Secret Empress Tarot. Today I'm going to do reading for Sagittarius for the month of November 2020. This will be reading for Sun, Moon and Rising sign. In case if this video resonates, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. In case if it doesn't resonate, please do check your other sign. And I have already done Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Libra reading. And the link will be given in the description box. Please do check. And I have done all the zodiac sign reading for the month of November, family, career and the relationship readings. So it will also be in the description box. Please do check. So let's start your reading. So before I start past, present and future, I'm going to check your current energy so that it will be easy for me to do the other things. Six of Wands, Page of Coin. I see in the present situation investing, it can be like career or it can be like love life or it can be some kind of a relationship or a family situation where you're trying to invest your energy in that, to wanting an victory in that, showing a lot of attention towards that and just concentrating on a certain thing which you're investing on. Fire Swords, Four of Coin and the Eight of Cups. There may be a person in your life who is coming towards you wanting attention from you here, but you may have wanted to just walk away from a situation. You're holding back your energy. No more you're going to give an energy towards an individual here. Instead, you're emotionally walking away because you may have felt defeated, you may have stressed out, you may have put a lot of work in this connection, but right now I see you just walking away from a situation here, emotionally disconnecting. But I see that this person, whoever they're coming with an attention, wanting an attention. There may be a lot of past hurt or past regret. There may be like this person may have hurted you a lot, or they may have just done wrong thing towards you. So you may be hurt in this situation here. So you may have just walked away. It can be like it can be not linked with this person. Maybe you have hurted because of some other. So only you're not ready to show any kind of attention or put any kind of a work in this connection. In the past, there may be like there was no equal give and take in a situation. Something didn't went in your favor. Something was unfair here. So maybe not happy with whatever happened in the past. Five of Wands, Queen of Wands and the Page of Wands. So what I say is that you maybe have conflicted regarding a situation here. There may be a lot of like more than one person involved here. You may have a lot of passion towards them, lot of emotion towards this individual, but you may have felt that there are more than one person involved here. This person may be a fire sign, or it's your energy. I see. Moreover, I see that you are just being in your power. This person may have come towards you, but you may have not let them in because you may feel like there are more than one person involved, or you may feel like it's too much drama here. For the few of them, only for few of them, this is a story that where you are a parent, a female parent, where you have a son, a fire sign, a small son. They may be trying to just, there may be a lot of people in your family who is trying to just hurt you again. You may have hurted by these family members, but you are trying to protect your child from these people. This was some people I see. For some, it can be like 1% of people. Ace of Swords, Ace of Wands. Yeah, you're cutting off any kind of a bullshit in your life. You're just cutting off any kind of a people who no longer serves you anything. And I also see that as soon as you clear everything and you have a clarity in your life, there's a new start, new beginning coming your way. Yeah, there's a ending coming here, 10 of Swords and Queen of Swords. There's a big ending coming in your life. There may be so many things which have not ended in the past, but I see in the present situation or in the future, I see you're ending everything here and just taking control of your life and just being strong enough and just moving forward. So that's what I see in the current situation here. Okay, Sagittarius, let's see your past, present and future reading for the month of November. For the overall energy, you got the Page of Wands. It's all about messages. Just taking leap of faith. It's just moving forward. Just moving towards what you're passionate about. Discovering yourself, what is very passionate towards you and moving forward. So that's what I see overall energy. In the past, you got Four of Coin, King of Swords and the Tower. There was a Tower movement in your life in the past. There may be a breakup or a sudden fallout between you and your person. There may be a situation where you have just stopped giving much energy towards a connection and you have just taken your control back and just being very strong person, just taking care of yourself, and you're not giving much towards a connection here, due to which there was a Tower moment here in the past. In the present, I see Three of Wands, Six of Coin and the Sun. It's all about forward movement, moving towards a happiness, successful life, and just where there's a very big criteria of equal give and take, you're moving towards that. In the future, you got the Hierophant, the Hermit and the Eight of Coin. So there may be a commitment or a person here, or maybe a Taurus here. You may be thinking about a situation, you may have stepped back from certain thing and just realizing that, or gaining a healing prosperity within you and just wanting to work things out here. So let me see. Ace of Swords, Strength and the Ten of Wands. So for the overall energy, like for the Page of Wands, you got the Ace of Swords, Strength and the Ten of Wands. There may be a lot of things within you, a lot of burden, a lot of emotions within you, a lot of things, thoughts or something within you. This may have brought you a lot of burden. So I see in the month of November, you're cutting off all this burden, all these things which you have hidden within you and just wanting to move forward. Just blocking any kind of hidden things and the burden or any kind of stress within you, just leaving that, cutting off everything. If there are a lot of people who are relying on you or who are just being your burden, you're releasing that and you're just moving forward and moving towards the things which makes you happy and passionate. So let me see your past energy. In the past, you may have a lot of emotion towards an individual, lot of passion. This can be a new person in the past, or it can be a new energy which had come your way, an offer. But I see that you may have hidden your emotion within yourself. This person may have brought you a lot of happiness, lot of thing within you. Just they may be the wish fulfillment person in your life, but you may have hidden a lot of emotion you have within them, and you may have just hold back your emotions. For the King of Wands, you got Two of Cups. The King of Swords, you got Two of Cups. So let me see your past energy. In the past, you may have a lot of emotion towards an individual, lot of passion. This can be a new person in the past, or it can be a new energy which had come your way, an offer. But I see that you may have hidden your emotion within yourself. This person may have brought you a lot of happiness, lot of thing within you. Just they may be the wish fulfillment person in your life, but you may have hidden a lot of emotion you have within them, and you may have just hold back your emotions. For the King of Wands, you got Two of Cups. The King of Swords, you got Two of Cups, Knight of Wands, and the Ten of Swords. Yeah. Okay. There was an opportunity of two people coming together. You may have just blocked that process or an opportunity in your life, due to which something ended in your life. You may have just tried your best not to get reunited or something here. You may have blocked this option. You may have thought very logical way in the situation. You may have thought that this may not work out. So you may have tried to block it. But I see that you didn't wanted to end the thing with them, but instead you were trying to block that, but the thing was like at most it got ended. So that's what I see. When you didn't want it to end it, you just wanted to block it, but it got ended very unexpectedly. For the Tower, you got Three of Coins, the Empress, and the Five of Cups. Yeah, as soon as Tower moment comes here, you may have regretted that you have acted single. Even though you were in partnership with an individual, you may have acted single. You may have acted that you were not showing much emotion here. But I see that you are regretting in the past that you should have not blocked this connection or something here. So after sudden ending or sudden breakthrough, you have realized that whatever you were avoiding was actually not a good idea. So that's what I see. Okay, let me clarify Three of Wands for the present energy. Temperance, King of Coin, and the Two of Coin. Okay. In the present, you are wanting to move forward and wanting to bring balance between you and this person here, whomever you're dealing with. You're just wanting balance. But the thing is that you are wanting to work things out with them and wanting to make things right. There's an opportunity of moving forward, but still you are juggling that whether to move forward or not, whether to take action or not. But there's an opportunity granted about moving forward here, but still you're just still juggling here. For the Six of Coin, you got the Devil, the Fool, and the King of Wands. You're just wanting to move forward and make things right with this individual. This, whatever I'm doing, it can be like vice versa also for some people. But as I'm seeing your energy, I see that you're wanting to just make things right with them, wanting to move forward. But the thing is that there may be like some kind of a toxicity within you. You may have thought like too much on your head, too much thinking, due to which you may be like, even though you're wanting to take a leap of faith, you're not taking, just waiting for the right time. You're waiting for the right time, observing things and just waiting for the correct time to take action here. For the Sun, you got the Death, Six of Cups, and the Star. Yeah, there's a lot of transformation in the present situation. For the Sun, you got the Death, Six of Cups, and the Star. So you're just taking in charge of this connection or seeing this situation in a different perspective, and just having a lot of transformation within you and ready to make changes within your connection and within you, and just realizing that this is a strongly divine net connection and just wanting to take action towards that. It's all about, in the present situation, getting a clarity or getting a realization that whichever connection you were blocking in the past is actually a divinely guided connection, and this connection is going to make you very happy. This is a connection you are waiting for, but in the past you may have just avoided or just blocked this thing. So suddenly you have realized in the present situation. For the immediate future, for the Hermit, you got the Queen of Cups. So not for Hermit, the Hierophant, you got the Queen of Cups, Wheel of Fortune, and the Page of Coin. Yeah, in the future I see you taking action, wanting to have a second chance within you and your person, wanting to make things right here, and you're wanting a commitment, and I see you taking an in charge here, messaging them or trying to invest. I don't see you investing more here, but you're investing little by little, like step by step. And even though you're giving energy like step by step, not giving much, I see there's a progression within you both. For the Hermit, you got the Queen of Swords, Eight of Swords, and the Knight of Cups. So that's what I told. You have analyzed the situation, you have gone through a lot of transformation within you, and you are now ready to take in charge of this connection. There's an emotional offer you're going to offer them, an emotional offer. So I see you moving towards them and taking action and just expressing your emotion here. For the Eight of Coin, you got the Justice, Five of Wands, and the Nine of Coin. Yeah, I see you just gaining within yourself a very big prosperity here. What I see is that in the past you may be confused because of the confusion or because of the other people influence, but I see you just being independent and strong enough here, just being very strong individual here, and just learning lessons from your past, learning from things in the past, whatever happened, and just you're ready, you're independent, and you're ready to take in charge. And I see you putting effort in this connection and wanting to work things out. I see a very big passion towards it, an emotional thing towards that, and I see an action also moving towards them. So that's what I see. I see you moving towards them. So let me take cards from universe. Okay. You got Six of Swords, Ace of Wands, and the Queen of Pentacles. You're walking away from so many things, past baggage of past thing, and you're ready for a new start with an individual, and you have worked on yourself, you have worked on within you, so that you are ready right now to move forward towards them and express them with an offer. So I see you just moving towards them in the month of November, and there's a new beginning within you and your person. So you may be dealing with Virgo, Libra, Aquarius, Scorpio, Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus. Virgo is very strong, Capricorn, Scorpio is also strong. When Sagittarius is strong. For some, you may be reading Pisces also, as I got bottom of the deck Pisces, the moon, and Leo. That's it. Okay, that's what I see, Sagittarius. I hope it resonated. Thank you.